Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day all. Praise be to Allah, who has given us health so that we can attend today's lecture with the Business English course. There, Miss Esa Setiana, SAMSE AKCA, and there all friends who have attended our presentation today. Firstly, let me introduce my group members. We are from Group 2 with the title Mini Research Report, Tourist Area Museum Tsunami Aceh. Was member consists of Anita Januseti, Intan Zuhra, Nadia Siregar, Santia Devima, Faradila, Isma Fadila, Reza Setiawan, Giovanni Natalia S, Cynthia Sejahtraria, Nadila Rahmadilova, Rinka X Lesia Siringoringo, and the last, Ulan Apriyani. Next.
Background. A tsunami is a very large water wave caused by various disturbances from the seabeds, such as plate shift and volcanoes that are under the seabeds. The Aceh Tsunami Museum is one of the evidence for remembering future generation for the earthquake and tsunami in the Indian Ocean on December 26, 2004, with a strike of 9.0 liter scale. It is proven that in 2018 there were 350,000 visitors to the Aceh Museum per year, and since the Aceh Museum pandemic, the management closed the Aceh Tsunami Museum to maintain mutual safety, and opened the Aceh Tsunami Museum on December 30 on condition that they comply with the health protocol for the spread of COVID-19. Next.
Identification of problems. 1. A tsunami is a very large water wave caused by various disturbances from the seabed such as plate shift and volcanoes that erupt under the seabed. 2. Researching how and what is contained in the Aceh Tsunami Museum. 3. The COVID-19 pandemic has caused a decrease in visitors to the Aceh Tsunami Museum and the closure of the museum to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Next. Survey purpose. The survey objective of the research are 1. Knowing the data related to the Aceh Tsunami Museum. 2. The place provided in the Tsunami Museum. 3. How was the condition of the Aceh Tsunami Museum during the pandemic and before the pandemic?
Brief history of the Aceh Tsunami Museum. The Aceh Tsunami Museum was established on December 26, 2009. The Aceh Tsunami Museum was designed by an architect from Bandung, West Java, Ridwan Kamil. This is a design that won an international competition held in 2007 to commemorate the 2004 Aceh tsunami disaster. As much as 140 billion rupiah and stand on an area of 2,500 square meters. The budget as assisted by the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources and construction began in 2007. The building of Tsunami Museum has the concept of Rumah Aceh and on Escape Hill, with the main reference are Islamic values, local culture, and the tsunami abstraction. The tsunami is a four-story structure with an area of 2,500 square meters, whose craft walls are covered in geometric reliefs.
Brief history of Aceh Tsunami Museum. The Aceh Tsunami Museum has a total collection 55 units consisting of 22 props, 26 photos, and 7 make-ups. In addition to its role as a memorial for the victim of the Aceh tsunami, this museum is also useful as a place of refuge from this kind of disaster in the future. This museum is also a historical object where this building becomes a center for research and learning about the tsunami disaster, as a symbol of the strength of the Aceh community in dealing with the Aceh tsunami disaster. Location of the Aceh Tsunami Museum. The Aceh Tsunami Museum is located on Jalan Sultan Iskandar Muda, Sukaramai, Baitur Rahman, Banda Aceh. Its position is very close to the Baitur Rahman Mosque, about 11 minutes by foot or approximately 5 minutes by car. Survey method. A. Place and time of survey. 1. Research site. The research location will be carried out on Sultan Iskandar Muda Street, Sukaramai, Baitur Rahman, Banda Aceh City. 2. Research time. The research was conducted on Tuesday, the 14th November 2021 at 9:13 WIB. B. Subject and object of the survey. 1. Subject. The subject of this research is the Aceh Tsunami Museum, a symbolic monument to the earthquake and tsunami that occurred in Aceh on Sunday morning, December 26, 2004. 2. Object. The object of this research is to know the area of the museum, the tours covered, and how the condition for the museum during the pandemic. C. Data collection techniques. Data collection techniques in this research are using secondary data, where secondary data is a source of research data obtained by researchers indirectly through intermediary media. Next.
Method survey instrument. The tools we ask are as follow: 1. Handphone, 2. Internet network, 3. ATK. Implementing commute, 4 observers, 4 compress, 4 translator. C. Text exclusion. The research implementation is 1. Done by collecting data from data internet. This is by collecting data from the people who live around research. E. Data analysis technique. The data analysis used is qualitative data analysis, namely data analysis derived from data collection from data collection process, namely recording, lecture, review, and interview. Next.
Okay, survey result overview. 1. Established on December 26, 2009, designed by architect from Bandung, West Java, Ridwan Kamil. 2. Inaugurated by President Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono on 23 February 2009 and opened to the public on 8 May 2011. 3. Consists of 4 floors with an area 2,500 square meters, arch walls, air cover, white geometric relief. Next.
Okay, the condition of the Tsunami Museum during the pandemic. The condition of the Aceh Tsunami Museum before being hit by COVID-19 in 2018, visitors reached 740,000 people. Aceh high-tech local visitors come from overseas, tourists from Malaysia, Japan, China, France, and the Netherlands. In 2009, visitors to the Aceh Tsunami Museum reached 350,000 people through 2019. When in COVID-19 pandemic hit Aceh since March 2020, the Tsunami Museum was closed for about 9 months and report on December 31 after more than 9 months of being closed due to the corona pandemic. The Aceh Tsunami Museum has reported the public. This reporting was followed by implementing the COVID-19 health protocol. During the reviewing since December 31, 2020, the average person who visit the Tsunami Museum reached 700 people per day. At the entry to the Tsunami Museum, officers are on standby to check the body temperature or visitors who come. Next.
Ini Santia nggak ada, gantikan aja Farah.
Based on our result, the discussion that we can present are to commemorate the tsunami that hit Nangro Aceh Darussalam on December 26, 2004, which killed approximately 2,040 people. This museum was built in 2006 on an area of approximately 10,000 square meters, located in the provincial capital of Nangros, Aceh Darussalam, namely Kota Madia, Banda Aceh, with a budget of around 140 billion. According to Edi Purwanto, as the initiator of the Aceh Tsunami Museum from BRR Aceh, this museum was built for 3 reasons. 1, to commemorate the victims of the tsunami disaster. 2, as an education center for the younger generation about safety. 3, as an evacuation center if a tsunami comes again. Next. Field findings or temuan lapangan. In the field findings, we found 1, space of fear or lorong tsunami, 2, space of memory or ruang kenangan, and 3, space of sorrow or ruang sumur doa. Next.
Conclusion. From the result of the research that we have done regarding the Museum Tsunami Aceh, the program and implementation of supervision at the museum has been scheduled in a structured manner, and the result of the supervision are used as a guide for improvement. The implementation of supervision at the museum can be carried out properly with the preparation and implementation that is supported by all components of the campus and also all groups.
Tan tutup Tan.
Okay, maybe this is all our group can do. For all mistakes, we apologize. Finally, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to all of us. Thank you.